All right, let's talk about Samsung's new wrist candy. The 2025 Galaxy smartwatches just dropped at the July Unpacked event. Now, while we didn't get a full-blown Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 this time, Samsung tossed us a shiny new titanium blue version and 6 flavors of the Galaxy Watch 8 to keep us busy. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. If you like your watches small and subtle, the 40mm Galaxy Watch 8 might be calling your name LT optional. But if you like a little more screen real estate on your wrists, the 44mm version has your back. Still, the one that's really stealing the spotlight is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This thing is the biggest of the bunch at 46mm, the fanciest looking, and honestly, the one everyone's going to pretend they weren't already eyeing. And there's a reason the Classic is getting all the attention. Actually, a few reasons. Let's start with that legendary rotating bezel. It's clicky, it's satisfying, and it turns navigating through apps into something you actually enjoy. Touchscreens are fine, but this bezel, it's like a little tech fidget spinner with a purpose. And while we're talking about functional extras, the Classic one-ups the others with a third side button. Yep, 3 buttons. That extra one is fully customizable, so you can set it to open workouts, toggle a flashlight, or whatever you tap 100 times a day. It's small, but when you're on the move, it matters. Now storage. The Classic gives you 64 gigs, double what the regular Watch 8 models offer. That means more room for music, podcasts, apps, and whatever else you like to hoard on your wrist. Battery. The Classic packs a 445 milliamps battery, giving it just a bit more stamina than the 40mm and 44mm models. And since it shares the same display size with the regular versions, you might even get better battery life out of it in real-world use. Samsung says you can expect around 30 to 40 hours, depending on how wild your settings are. We'll have to test that, but it sounds solid. And then there's the look. The Classic is rocking a stainless steel body that just feels more refined and intentional. Meanwhile, the regular Watch 8 uses aluminum, which is fine, but side by side, the Classic just looks grown up. Plus, the cushion-style case design gives it more of that luxury watch meets fitness tracker vibe. The regular Watch 8 without the bezel honestly looks like something's missing, like someone took the bezel off and forgot to put it back on. So what's the move? Are you going for the sleek bezel-free design of the standard Watch 8, or are you Team Classic with a fancy bezel, more storage, and that premium feel? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear where you're leaning. And as always, thanks for hanging out. Until next time, take care.